Hi friends, do you love ice cream? I do. It's cold, creamy, and so yummy. But have you ever wondered, how is ice cream even made? Let's find out together. First, you mix milk, cream, and sugar. That's it! Well, kind of, because then you have to churn it. That's just a fancy word for mixing it around and around. But wait, don't stop there. While it's churning, it's freezing too. Cool, huh? Wanna know a secret? Ice cream has air in it. No, really! The air makes it all soft and fluffy. And the sugar? It helps keep it from turning into a hard ice block. Pretty sweet, right? The coolest part, literally, is the freezing. If the ice crystals are tiny, the ice cream is super smooth. That's why it spins and spins while it freezes. It's like a science experiment you can eat. Now the fun part, flavors. There's chocolate, strawberry, vanilla. But have you tried cookie dough or bubblegum? Yum! And don't forget the sprinkles, candies, and gummy bears. What's your favorite flavor? Did you know ice cream has been around for a long time? People in China made frozen treats from snow and fruit over 2,000 years ago. Whoa! I'm glad we have ice cream trucks now because snow fruit sounds weird. Here are some fun facts. The tallest ice cream cone ever made was taller than a grown-up giraffe. And did you know astronauts eat freeze-dried ice cream in space? I wonder if it floats. You can make ice cream at home. Just mix cream, sugar, and vanilla in a bag. Then shake, shake, shake with ice and salt. You'll have your very own ice cream party. So now you know the science of ice cream. Next time you take a bite, think about all the cool things that made it happen. And maybe share a scoop with me, okay? See you next time!